Hello guys. So I found myself on another bad run, which is really frustrating, but it's part of being a junior trader. So what I want to talk about here is about getting out of this. So I started actually trying to solve my own problem and typed into YouTube trading bad run. And I've got the results in front of me, and unfortunately they came up as like, why do 90% of traders lose money? How to let your winners run, and I don't think that really captures it. So anyway, I did a bit more digging and I found a video actually by Brand, another one of the Axia traders, and this was a really interesting run. So I watched it over the weekend. It was how to break your bad trading habits visually. And so the premise of this is that your body sort of like is good at remembering pictures. And so if you can think about, what it's like while you're trading well and what it's like when you're trading poorly, and then you find some pictures that kind of represent those emotions or feelings or whatever it is. And then that should help you like trigger, sort of like this mental memory. Oh, I'm probably getting into this state because I'm feeling things that remind me of those images. So that's what he's getting at here. Why is this important, I suppose, is another question. Well, if you think about where might this take, well, I was speaking with my mentor over the weekend about how my trading was going, and he was saying that actually, where he's placed now, he really gets in a state where he's like pushed into like over trading and under trading. So that really shows you the power of, like how much of a skill that this is. And then just try and think of, okay, imagine if you could get rid of all those mistakes in trading, how good you'd be. So that's where we're trying to get to eventually. If you haven't watched Brand's video, we'll put the link below, so go check it out. I'm going to start working through this, and it'll be really cool if you guys can work through it with me too. So I'm going to start by just having a think about what are the things that I feel, when I'm going into like an over trading or under trading state, so like overconfidence, underconfident state, and then see how that matches up with what Brand came up with, and then look for some images to relate to those. All right, so I'll report back to you shortly. Now, if you're enjoying these vlogs, please like and subscribe. It'd be great to reach out to more people. All right, so I'm going to share with you the images that I got, the images that spoke out to me. So we'll start with the ones that resonate with me, with how I feel when I overtrade. So these are the images that resonate with me about my over trading. So maybe not all of them obvious, but sometimes I get into the state because I feel like I can do it or get really excited because I've had a few up days, and sometimes I freeze up. So like there are a few there that maybe don't necessarily make sense at first glance, but that's what resonates. And then in terms of like trading well, it's really about, for me, being objective, being calm, and I generally have like good idea flow and good plans. So they're the things that resonate with me there. All right, so you'll notice that lots of my pictures about when I was trading well have something to do with nature, and I think it shows you how much like calmness is an important part of trading well for me. So I thought this was a great exercise, and actually I'm surprised by how much like this kind of woke me up. So I think some of these images are really speaking to me, so I hope you had the same experience when you did it. This theme of kind of like working yourself out of like a bad trading run, I'd quite like to go on with this week, so I'll try and talk to some other traders over the next few episodes and see if we can get some insight into how other people deal with it. All right, that's all for today. I'll catch you again soon. Bye.